How to join eBay live and live selling. So first of all, you must go to eBay and make sure you've got an account. So live selling helps you to connect to the live collaborators, live marketers, and you can sell your products live in the live market that's happening in the across the world in a current manner. So what you'll have to do is simply go ahead to eBay, make sure you have an account if you don't have. So if you've already got an account, so you must be being bothered about way to go ahead and start your live selling. So you can simply go ahead to the eBay live seller, so you can search for that in Google. So go to eBay live seller, and then here you can see new live selling with eBay. So introducing eBay live, a new way to sell on eBay. Tune in and experience live selling events by eBay sellers and influencers. So you can simply go ahead, check it out. And then if that's available in your region, because that's not in mine. So if that's available, it will provide you with all of the steps. Yeah, follow those steps, and it's an easy process, and you'll be able to shop or do shopping live, eBay live. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.